Ready, go!
For extreme ills, extreme remedies. 5 health benefits of carambola. I was first introduced to star fruit, or as it is otherwise known, carambola, while visiting a friend's farm in Kerala 2 weeks ago. A lone, fully grown tree was giving us copious amounts of fruit and I soon fell in love with it. The word carambola is derived from the Sanskrit word karmaranga, meaning food appetizer. Star fruit was called carambola in the Malayalam language, and when the Portuguese took it to Africa and South America they kept the original name. It's a bit hard to find in shops and markets, but there are so many ways to source fresh produce straight from farmers these days. The whole fruit is edible and it is super sweet and tasty once it is ripe. It has a juicy, sweet, sour taste. You can turn it into a jam or a pickle if you'd like to store it for longer. Each fruit contains on average 26.2 kilocalories, 6.2 kilocalories of carbohydrate, 2.5 grams of dietary fiber, 0.3 grams of fat, 3.6 grams of sugar and 0.9 grams of protein. Carambola fruit is an extremely low-calorie fruit that is rich in dietary fiber, vitamin A, B and C along with minerals like zinc, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, iron and potassium among others. Moreover, it has high amounts of antioxidants like polyphenolic compounds, quercetin, gallic acid and epicatechin. This fruit is native to South and Southeast Asia. So, what makes carambola so amazing? Here are the benefits of carambola. 1. It's a rich source of vitamin C. A single star fruit could provide you with up to 52% of your daily requirement of vitamin C as well as 4% of your daily vitamin B5 requirement. Vitamin C has a wide range of positive effects on our health, and these include antioxidant properties boosting the immune system, promoting healthy skin, hair, and nails, increasing calcium uptake, increasing iron absorption. The highest sources of vitamin C are bell peppers with 193 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams, papaya has 140 mg and broccoli has 89 mg. The daily recommended intake of vitamin C is 40 mg per day. 2. It's anti-inflammatory. Star fruit is rich in polyphenols. This can positively impact anti-inflammatory processes and can help repair cell damage. Polyphenols have also been known to help with type 2 diabetes by increasing insulin sensitivity as well as reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Antidiarrheal and boosts digestion. The ripe fruit and fruit juice have antidiarrheal effects and is believed to help with a wide range of stomach ailments. Star fruit has been used in Ayurvedic medicines for thousands of years. It is also known to stimulate your appetite. Star fruit is 80% water and hence it is a good source of hydration. 4. Rich source of dietary fiber. Due to the fiber content and minimal amount of fruit sugars, star fruit is unlikely to have a big effect on blood glucose levels. Almost half of the carbohydrate content of star fruit comes from fiber. Eating a diet rich in dietary fiber will help keep your digestive system healthy. 5. Low calorie and super nutritious. Carambola is super low in calories and has a high amount of dietary fiber. It contains on average 26.2 kilocalories and 2.5 grams of dietary fiber per fruit. It's a whole food source that will give you an amazing amount of energy. This is important for people with diabetes and others who are looking to control their calorie intake. Thanks for watching.